Welcome to Dixon's Garage. Well, today we're going to be looking at this ts250. Want to see if we can get some life into it. It's been laid up for a long time. It's got registration, matches the VIN number, so that's a bonus. So basically we can see no air filter on it. Battery box is there. I don't even know if it's off this bike. Bit of wiring on there. The auto lube's been disconnected. That's not a good sign, because you can't really take the auto lubes off these ts250s because one of the feeds oils this side bearing. One bearing's oiled off the gearbox as normal, and the left hand side bearing is oiled from the auto lube. So people start running them on premix, knackers the left hand side bearing because it's not getting any oil. Plenty compression. Seems fairly good considering it's been stood for God knows how many years. I don't know. So it's probably could have been stood 20 years or so. But anyway, so let's start pulling it to bits and let's have a look. The tank and the seat off. Just having a look. I mean, literally just first of all, what we need to get at the start is a spark. So I mean, without even doing anything with these wires, they appear to be connected. I'll say just giving it a quick kick with the old spark plug in, and obviously there's no spark on the coil. The wire broken. So let's see if we can connect it back up. I've just buried a bit of wire away there, and just rest the plug on top of there. Try and touch them together, and great. Not brilliant, but from a 40-year-old plug, we've actually got a spark. I've had a rummage around and I found this. We couldn't fix that wire on there. It's literally broken off too close. I mean, I might see if I can dremel that end away and solder it back on in the future, but this coil here actually says GS125, but similar part number. Well, coil's a coil, I suppose. I mean, we'll see. We'll connect this up, see what we've got. Bring that to there. Just going to twist these together for now. Let's get a better earth on there. Eh? There we go. Right, you tell me if you see a spark. As if you could. Right, let's see what we got. Well, I would definitely say that's a spark. Don't know about you. Right. Now that carb, seen better days. I mean, I know what you're all gonna say, but I'm gonna try and put some fuel in it and see what happens. See if the floats actually hold liquid. And this engine's going to come to bits anyway. I'm going to strip it down and probably rebuild it all. I think it's just satisfying hearing something running, isn't it? You sort of rescue it, stick some fuel in it, give it a kick, watch it fire up. Right. See if we can get any fuel into there. Well, it's filling. Oh, there's liquid in there. A bit brown what came out, but it's running clear now. Not loads of fuel coming, but there's definitely fuel coming. Just put a dribble of 2-stroke oil down the old barrel, just in case, because it's been dry in there for probably 20 years. A drip there. Oh yeah, it's coming out the exhaust. There's no dramas. Right, we'll give it a little drink of petrol. Just a bit. Oh, there we go, she's pouring out of every orifice, so I'll probably give it a bit too much. It's probably just flooded it to death now. Scuppered any chance of it starting at all. That'll be fine. It'll be fine. Right, let's get the plug in. Right, I'll just zoom you back a bit. There's my old plug spanner gone. Little tweak. Right. I'll just drop it down a little bit, I think. Don't want to be climbing up there, do I? Right. Just move that. So, see if she runs. Should we put the choke on? No. Choke doesn't stay on. Well, if this starts up and that headlight lights up, I will be totally amazed. Biased, I must be amazed. Right, let's get on there. Right, let's go. What do you reckon? Put petrol on. Best make sure carb's closed. Yeah. Hey, well, what do you know? Huh? What do you know? I wonder if we can give it a bit of throttle at the same time with this bit of cable that's hanging out. I think we jam the choke on. Just dragging it out. A little rubber on a choke that keeps it open is missing. There we go. It's got the choke jammed on. Right. Petrol's on, choke's on. Well, 40-year-old bike. Well, actually, I think it's 44-year-old, I think, actually. She runs. Right. Start pulling the bits, I think. And have a look, see what she needs. Well, that's pretty impressive, though. The bike's been laid up all this time. Just sparked up, literally. There you go. Right. Leave it for there. I'm going home to get a Chinese. See you later.